Every Japanese restaurant in the US has its own version of salad dressing recipe. Today I'm showing you my version of the Japanese salad dressing, which is inspired by the salad served at one of my favorite Japanese restaurants in the Bay Area. The ingredient list is short and simple, and you can easily find these ingredients at any Asian supermarket. In this recipe, I use 5% acidity distilled vinegar, which match very closely to the acidity of the salad dressing served at this restaurant. You can use rice vinegar if you prefer a milder acidity. In a large glass bowl, add white miso, sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and distilled vinegar. Mix everything together until there is no lump. This salad dressing can be served with iceberg lettuce, shredded red leaf cabbage, carrots, as well as cherry tomatoes. Chill the lettuce in ice water for about 15 minutes so they are nice and crunchy. Drizzle some of the Japanese dressing on top of your salad and sprinkle some sesame seed. Your restaurant-style Japanese salad is now ready to be served. Enjoy!